Shalom. My name is Michael Decker, and I'm a lawyer within the law offices of Cohen, Decker, Pex, and Brosh. Today I wanted to discuss the matter of marriage in El Salvador. In Israel, because Israel is a Jewish and democratic state, and Israel is also not fully secular in many ways, this topic is very relevant. In Israel, all the issue regarding marriage and divorce is basically exclusively handled by religious courts. There is a Jewish religious court, the Muslim religious court, and the Christian religious court. The majority of the population in Israel is Jewish, and therefore the rabbinical court has much power and much say on the matter of many of the lives of many people living in Israel. In Israel, basically, couples of different religions cannot marry each other at all. Christians can't marry Jews, Jews can't marry Muslims, and Christians and Muslims can't marry, and the same goes for people that have no religion whatsoever. In addition, religions in general have many internal religious laws and regulations. For example, in Judaism, someone that's a Kohen, that his last surname is Kohen or Levi, is not allowed to marry a divorced woman. And in addition, if someone that is considered a mamzer, which is basically a bastard in Judaism, isn't allowed to marry at all in the rabbinical court. Furthermore, most religions are conservative, and same-sex couples can't get married in religious courts at all. So a man and a man won't be able to get married in Israel under any religious court, and a woman and a woman can't get married in Israel under any religious court. So for these reasons, and also for others, for example, when a foreigner is here and he doesn't have any religious association and he would like to resolve his status here in Israel and to prove to the authorities that his relationship with an Israeli spouse is authentic, many times this couple would like to also get married, and in Israel it's not a possibility. Therefore, El Salvador marriage system is very, very convenient, because none of the couples need to even be in El Salvador. Our office basically represents many couples, and through a power of attorney that we have and that we then transfer to a lawyer in El Salvador, the lawyer in El Salvador goes to the relevant authorities and marries the couple, and then sends to us a marriage certificate along with an apostille stamp. This marriage certificate that's translated into Hebrew with an apostille stamp is binding based on the evidence law of Israel. Evidence order of Israel is binding to the Interior Ministry, and the Interior Ministry is required to register the Israeli this couple as married, and to change the status of the Israeli spouse as married in his identification card. In addition, the Israeli Interior Ministry is also required to accept this marriage certificate for the procedure of granting status to the foreign spouse, along with many other requirements. In addition, there are people that can't leave the country for other reasons. For example, if they have debts here and they are restrained from leaving the country. And also secular people that just don't want to utilize the religious courts at all for matters of conscience. Our office in Cohen, Decker, Pex, and Brosh represents many such couples, and we'll be happy to be of assistance to you as well. Thank you for your time.